In this video, we're covering the infamous content pillar strategy. Content pillars are unique content that helps brands demonstrate expertise, establish authority, and stand out from their competitors. For content marketers, content pillars provide a strategic approach to creating content that answers all readers' questions. Here are the steps to develop your brand's content pillar strategy from its foundation. Step 1. Identify the main topic and keyword. Consider what problem you are solving, which products and services you are offering, and who is your target audience. Next, you must identify the primary keyword and the topic, which should be substantial enough to build a hub. Consider factors like the search volume, the topic's competitiveness, relevance to the audience, and the content's potential of becoming an evergreen piece. Once you have decided on the core topic and keyword, analyze the subtopics that will form the cluster pages and support the structure of the pillar page. The pillar page must touch upon all subtopics and link to the relevant articles. Step 2. Audit the existing website content. There are two main benefits of this process. First, you can avoid duplicating content on your website by optimizing and updating existing content. Second, you can reevaluate the internal linking structure. Step 3. Analyze your competition. Researching the competition also enables you to find gaps, opportunities, and areas for improving existing content and, therefore, to build more valuable content for your readers. Step 4. Create your content. Map out the structure of the pillar page, design the article's structure using all possible questions to be answered, and use advanced headings and subheadings for optimal performance. Step 5. Focus on evergreen pillar content. Pillar pages that center on evergreen content perform exceptionally well for readers and search engines if you have high-quality cluster topics to support them. That is why emphasizing the searcher's intent and the topic's subject is of utmost importance. Links to your cluster topics will further dive into each subtopic in greater detail. If you need help creating pillar content, contact some of our top content marketing agencies. DesignRush, connecting businesses with verified agencies.